Hello guys, welcome to Voice of Demo series. Today we are here to discuss a new connector which is Magento 2 connector, and we have few many options. So first of all we have credential menu option, and here we have the following fields that are required to establish a connection between Magento 2 and Odoo. Okay, so I already fill out the fields, and when we fill out the fields, just click the save button. So credentials are updated successfully in the database. So after that we are moving to connector, and as you can see we have the following services that we are integrated. So we can one by one test all the services and check the workflow. Also we have a datetime filter. You can adjust the datetime filter according to the specific scope that you are looking for. Okay, and after we will use the synchronization process using this sync button. Okay, so we will start with the customers. So I am going to add a new customer. That will be exported to Magento 2. Okay, so we can create a new contact. I just put some of the random values. Okay, so the contact is created successfully. So I'm going to export this contact. Okay, and we are currently in the specific time date filter, so I skip the datetime filter and just click the sync button. So it will take few seconds while exporting the data. Also you can use the import history and export history. That will contain all the activities, which type of data will be exported or not. So you can check out from this. So I will click in this export history. As you can see, the one new contact is exported successfully. Okay, so also we can check out from the Magento to admin. So I already opened this and go to the customers, all customers. So as you can see, the all contacts are exported successfully from Odoo in Magento 2. So we are going to add a new customer from add new customer button. So I just put out some sample information. I just fill out the random information. So it will take few seconds while save the customer. So as you can see, the customer is added successfully. Okay, so we are going to import that customer in Odoo. So I just click the import button, and we already in the range of datetime filter. So click the sync button. So the process is completed successfully, or I am going to check in contacts whether the customer is added or not. So page is already loaded and you can see the contact is the customer is added successfully. So as you can see, both operations, import and export of customer works perfectly. So move on to the next one, which is the product. So we will add a new product. I'm going to module invoicing and customer and the products. So we will add a new product which will be exported to Magento 2. So I add a dummy information. So product is added successfully. You can customize accordingly. So I'm going to export this product to Magento 2. So the process is completed successfully. So I'm going to check in Magento 2. So I'm going to go to the dashboard and here is the category products. So as you can see, the product is successfully added. Okay, so it's up to you, you can customize accordingly. So after that we are going to add a new product which will be import in Odoo. So it will take few seconds while load the form. We just add some of the basic informations. And put some random price and click to save button. So it will take few seconds while store the product in Magento 2 internal system. So as you can see, the product is added successfully. Okay, so we are going to import the product in Odoo. So just click the import option and click the sync button, and the process is completed successfully. And in product sections we just refresh the page. So as you can see, the product is successfully added. Okay, so as you can see, the product section part, both operations works perfectly as import and export. Okay, so move on to the next last service, which is the orders, which has only one operation, which is the import operation. So we will add a new order in Magento 2 and will be import in Odoo. So I'm going to click on sales orders. So as you can see, we have all predefined some orders. Okay, so we will import in Odoo as well. So I am going to go Odoo and adjust the daytime filter and click the checkbox and just click the sync button. So it will automatically import the order information related all the products and the customer related information. Okay, so in invoicing module, customer and invoices. So as you can see, the invoices are imported successfully. So I just click the invoicing detail. Okay, so the values are the products. We can view as well. Okay, you can verify as well. Okay, so the products related all the information are added successfully in orders. So all of the services are works perfectly. We can customize as well if you require other than features, so we can extend this module. Okay, so these are the services that we are covered in Magento 2 that will be we are integrated in Odoo. So happy to use Magento 2 in Odoo. Bye.